Hi guys, welcome to my best humidifier review. Are you looking for the best humidifier? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top-rated humidifier. We are going to review top 5 best humidifier on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 1, Boneco AOS 7135 features 1. Swiss quality, warm and cool mist options 2. 650 square foot room, 1.7 gallon tank 3. Intelligent, quiet and feature rich. Number 2, LEVOIT LV600HH features 1. Great value, warm and cool mist options 2. 280 square foot room, 1.6 gallon tank, quiet and easy to control. Number 3, Honeywell UV HCM-350 features 1. High quality, cool mist 2. 700 square foot room, 1.5 gallon tank 3. Self-regulating, prevents mold. Number 4, Vicks V745A features 1. High quality, warm mist 2. 500 square foot room, 1 gallon tank 3. Quiet, medicine cup, auto shut off. Number 5, Pure Guardian H4810 features 1. Easy to maintain, warm and cool mist options 2. 500 square foot room, 2 gallon tank 3. Quiet, large tank, prevents mold.